I don't know if I'm recording or not. I am so sorry if I am. It didn't do the count off today. I'm just looking at these different features. This is Miss Janice, by the way. And one of the things I'm trying to do is trying to figure out how to hide the camera and bring it back on screen. I'm noticing all these amazing things. Okay. I don't know how to oh, there it is right there. Okay, let's see what this means. Am I splitting the screen? Oh, it's mirroring. Oh, sorry, you guys. This is new. This is called Screenify. Okay. And it said I can hide this, but I haven't figured out how to bring it back yet. Oh no. Dun, 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 dun. I usually turn it off anyway. Hi, everybody. This is Miss Janice. And there was a young lady that asked a question on Facebook, recording a background tab. Screencast is recording a tab in the background. Use the extension icon to switch the record focus to your current tab. What? I don't know how to do it. Oh, okay. Oh, it says record this tab. I don't want to record that tab, but I want to record this tab. So let's see. Record this tab. Oh, this is too cute. Okay, another tab is currently being. Okay, okay. Record this tab. Okay. Okay. There's a young lady here that says she had a question. Has anybody tried to look for it at the end of this lead system? Okay, there it is. Comment. Let's find our picture if we can. And then we're going to put in our comment here and see if or we're going to put in our, what was she supposed to do. I'm going to type it and then I'm going to end this video and then I'm going to send a link. Okay. I was learning how to invite your list. Okay, let's get started. So it's right here. What you're supposed to do, young lady, is put this on here. Promote. Okay, we're going to record this tab. So we already signed in and you want to push F11. Okay. So we already signed in, and when you go here, after you sign in, you're gonna go to that second or third step. I mean, it says getting three simple steps, and remember, you're always supposed to look at your get starting video. This is 12 minutes. Hold on.
Welcome to the Power Lead System, home of Lead Lightning, the free lead system, and the Power Blog. Thank you so much. Home of Lead Lightning, the free lead system, and the Power Blog.
Okay, so that's, you're gonna look at that. It's 12 minutes. I always look at mine. But you're gonna go down. You're gonna keep scrolling down until you get to this one right here, and this Power Lead System Facts. And it basically, this is, everybody's supposed to do this. It basically says what the Power Lead System is, but if you go F11, somewhere in here, it begins to talk about the regular system right here. I'm sorry. And this is where we want to go. So we're going to F11. And we're going to video this page. And here it is right here. It says, why is Facebook showing a warning when I try to post my link? Unfortunately, Facebook creates this warning with not much of an explanation. Suggestion: do a Google search for GoDaddy and you get a $1 domain and buy a domain from them for $1 and forward your domain to your referral link. That's a good choice. I suggest that you get the link from here or borrow one of theirs, the system's links, so that you can practice. You always want to practice first. I do have another link. It's called missjanice.com, and they, I don't know what's wrong with that link, so I ended up getting missjanice.biz. Um, because I never really owned a business before, so well, yes, I have, but not the way that. Not, anyway, it's been online. And so I just wanted to let you know that a lot of the things that or a lot of the questions we're asking are in the Lead Lightning's facts. It's like, what do I do first, and how do I get started? And so I started making. This is a legitimate question too. So I started making videos about how to get started. You go to the daily. You go to learning lessons, techniques. I can't forget what it's called. I should keep doing what I've been doing. Is you literally go out. Let me clean up some of this desk. I'm I'm always teaching about F11 because I really want people to paste. Then you go back here. You find the lady that you want to talk to. What's that is? And that should help. Uh-oh. I'm gonna put up here. Let's see what her name is. Hi, Linda. Aw. Nope, stay on this page. Okay, let's write Miss Linda. I should say answer some question instead of explain some question, huh? I found a good link that answers a few questions when we are new. For when a few questions for. Oops. Oh, this just popped up. What? I thought I was on this page. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, these are when new people are coming on. Oh, I can go now.